Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's always great to see you back. And today we got another service call for you. This customer called in. They said that their drain pan up in the attic was full of water and their float switch had tripped. And it was causing the air conditioner not to work. So that's basically what I know about this service call. We'll go out there, we'll go check it out, see if it's a clogged drain pan, see if the unit is low in freon, possibly causing icing, or whatever is going on with it. Because, you know, when we work together, we can fix anything. So we go head to the customer's house, and I will see you as soon as I get there. Alright, I'm at the customer's house. What I found out from the customer is they have a air handler that's installed in a closet, and it's a downflow, so that means that the air conditioner is actually blowing down in the floor. They've got two little drains coming out of the air handler, and on your secondary line it has an inline float switch on the system. So basically the water has backed up in your primary drain and lifted up your float switch on the secondary, which basically causes the unit to turn off. So we're going to see what's going on with the drain line. I'm going to try to show you the float switch and what's going on with it, and that way you can kind of see what's going on. The customer's inside, so I'm going to try to show you as much as I can. Alright, we're at the air handler. Here's your drains here. This is your primary, this is your secondary, and over here you have a float switch that sits down in your secondary line. This thing pops right out. When water rises, it comes up over this float switch, pushes this little black piece up. It's a floater, and that'll basically turn our air conditioner off. So we've got to figure out what's causing this drain line to stop up, to get water in our secondary, and to cause this float switch to trip. So let's go up under the house. Alright, I basically went up under the house. I don't have any sags in my drain line, but what I did find is right here where the drain leaves the house, there's a lot of water standing. And what will happen is if you get a whole lot of water, I mean, there's nowhere for this water to go. If it starts running back in the drain, it'll actually cause a clog in the drain and cause the drain not to drain properly. So what we've got to do is let the customer know that something's got to be done with this water. So basically to keep that drain from stopping up. But the drain line was fine. There's nothing wrong with that. There's probably only about 15 foot of drain, so the drain has got a downslope. There's nothing stopping it up. It's just this water here. So anytime you've got something coming out, you've got to make sure and get that water away from your drain, to get it away from the house. And if you have any type of standing water or puddle, that will also cause your drain to stop up. So that's what's going on. Alright, I'm back in the truck. I just talked to the customer, showing him what was going on with it. As you can see, when you're talking about drain problems or anything like that, it's not always an issue where you have a blockage inside the drain line itself, or you have a sagging drain line that water gets collected in. This is actually a problem outside of the drain. So the water was trying to come out, you had water up above the drain leaving the house, and the water just couldn't drain, and it was tripping that float switch. And if it trips the float switch, it's going to turn your air conditioner off, and then you won't have any air conditioning. So in this particular situation, what I recommend to the homeowner is where the drain exits the house, to take and dig about a 2 foot or 12, not 2 foot, about a 12-inch hole right where the drain is, and filling that hole with water, and to make sort of like a French drain. So the water would actually drain out of the house, go down in the hole through the gravel, and disperse into the ground. Where this comes out, there's really not much of an option you can do. The only other option is to add on to the drain leaving the house and divert it to another location. So that's basically what's going on with this service call. We got everything squared away. There's not much we can do. It did not come from the installation of the system. Basically what it was, because when this system is fairly new, when they put that in, they just connected the new drain line to the existing drain. So I don't know how long he's had an issue with this. I don't know if he had water problems with his other unit, but pretty much that's what's going on. So guys, we got another service call done, another happy customer, no more drain problems. It's always great seeing you back on a service call. It always makes it so much funner having you join me. I hope you guys are learning something. So that's it today. I will see you guys on the next service call. Don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel. It means so much to me. And as always, again, I'll see you on the next call. Later, guys.